that what you wanted us for?
A manager?
Yes.
Okay.
I was doing the inventory and I told her I'm coming.
All right.
Hey, it goes okay?
I need to talk to you about something that happened here last night. But if you could get your employee manager.
And drive through?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. I'd like her to do it.
Okay. Let me finish her order.
All right.
Fast sometime.
All right. Actually. My heart is.
Yeah, mine is too a little bit.
Yeah.
And I feel like she's in the seat. And she's really fucking Look at her face.
I don't want her.
Did you see her face?
Yeah, I want her. Her face is like,
Her face is like, I don't know.
what did I do?
Right. She's got to go.
She has a car. I told her to pull up and then come up here. Because what I do was I wasn't here apparently. How late? Well, what time was it? What time was it?
About 20 to 11.
I was here. So I didn't leave till about.
I think you had to come out there and help her with my transaction.
Okay. Okay. Hey. You're sleeping?
Yeah.
Look at her face. She's like,
Like
She's always
somebody's upset.
upset.
I'm upset.
yeah, she's like,
Are you doing okay, sir?
Oh,
I
he's gonna be
like your
shy.
pajamas.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? So last night I came to the drive-thru and paid about $20-something for my food, but yet you stole my bank card information and wiped my bank account money.
I did not.
Yes, you
Did you
did.
get your car back?
Oh no, she didn't keep the card. She took the information, and I hope it ain't that busted ass weed that's on the hood you purchased from Sally's. Because you know.
I understand. Do you know? I mean,
Oh, I
somebody-
know. The police report's already done and everything, but I wanted to make you aware.
She
I
paid
wanted
her
to make-
power bill on her debit card.
Paid your power bill. How dumb do you have to be to pay your power bill where your address? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm so sorry about that, ma'am.
I don't know
Yeah.
that.
You know you did. Don't be a liar.
I'm sorry.
Don't be a liar. Don't make me act out in front of my kids. I'm saying.
I'm sorry about
I
that.
was a baby.
Okay, I'm saying, I'm sorry about that. I wanted to pay you all the money back.
Oh, I mean, I know you are. It's $600.68, and that was my child's daycare money. That was my car payment. I don't know if you thought that because I drove a nice fucking Tahoe and I had my free on my hand that you could steal $700 from me. But let me tell you something. I was a single mom and I came from the fucking bottom, and I worked my ass off. And for somebody like you to steal it from me when I just came to pick up burgers from my family, that's fucking foul, and it's trash.
Write your information of it. I will talk. I have a conversation about it. Okay. My general manager.
I can't even write my name.
She can
Here.
tell you're upset. I know. Okay, these cards. And this is just what I have to do. Get my cards out. I don't have this shoelace in the car, but I'm gonna write her name on here. Okay, Miss Sheila Helms is our general manager over the store. Miss Ricky Meeks is our restaurant manager.
I went to school with Ricky.
Yeah. This is our district manager. He's Ribby. And I have to give all those cards out, nothing issued before the business like it happened. And I have to make sure all your information's down about their police report, your name, telephone number, and all that stuff. And I'm gonna leave Miss Sheila's office. I can't really do anything tonight unless she comes up here, but she says it's a police report's been filed. And I'm sorry on my behalf.
I'm sorry, too.
I mean, honestly, your ass should be walking out, and you shouldn't be able to serve people at all. Because I want to know how many people you've done that shit to.
I'm sorry. It only happened once. I'm sorry.
Well, look at your public record on Google. You're pretty good at this. It's something you do often. Maybe y'all should do background checks before you let people handle people's credit cards.
I think to call Miss Ricky and see if she'll come in because, yeah.
You need to get your life together.
Yes, ma'am.
Seriously, you got kids, girl?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids you got? You have 2 kids? I have 3 kids. You know what I do? I get my ass up, I work every day, and I don't steal from nobody.
Okay, give me 1 second.
It's disgraceful.
It's 1910.
You don't like your job? Apply somewhere else. I waitress for 10 years. 10 years.
I'm gonna call my restaurant manager so she can hear.
Here you go. You're welcome.
I feel like I'm about to throw up on so bad. Like,
Do you have Janetta, baby?
I guess my
What's
question
Ricky's
is like,
number,
how
baby?
did you think you were gonna get away with it? Like,
You paid your
I
power
really
bill.
do. I really, yeah. I want to know why and
like
how. you
how,
thought
like, did you
that I
think
wouldn't
that like
wake up in
she
the
was
morning
just
and
gonna?
$600 would go out my bank account. My kid's daycare check bounced because you stole all my bill money.
I'm so sorry.
I mean, like, no, really, like that. I really want to know. Like, did you really think that what you did was like clever enough that you
No,
didn't
no,
think that
ma'am.
your
I
name was
understand.
gonna get like
I knew it was gonna happen.
come out somehow?
I'm sorry.
You knew? So you just wanted to get in trouble? I mean,
I don't want to
I
get in trouble. 'Cause
Miss
I want-
Ricky, baby.
I mean, your ass is in trouble.
I need you to come.
That's a felony. That's a felony. Who's gonna take care of your kids?
At the drive-through manager, the ladies came in and she admitted to them that she took some money from them and a police report should be filed and help their
Through your company though, and it wasn't just like a person, random person.